What's going on, YouTube? So we were talking about YouTube training and watching videos and just kind of learn what you can learn. And a lot of people are like, everybody should do like a YouTube. Some of us that have been doing YouTube for like 6 years and more or whatever. No, I'm like 5 years. I think August would be 6 years for me. But I watch YouTube. I watch YouTube videos. Watch YouTube videos. They got TubeBuddy. They got this. They got Think. They got that. I don't think you should pay somebody to teach you how to do YouTube. I mean, let your audience just grow. I take a book and I just sit here. I usually do like an hour stint a day or something like that, and I just kind of look at YouTube. What I put on YouTube is what interests me. What I put on YouTube sometimes is what interests other people. And it's just the audience. I mean, once you get used to this audience, you can talk about whatever you want to talk about. Sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's not. When you're creeping up on these videos, you start talking about more stuff. Because me, I start thinking about what else can I give back? What else can I do? The credit thing, I've been doing the credit thing. I was actually making a book in regards to the credit thing. And trust me, if I ain't know about the credit, if I haven't been there, done that, this is real life stuff on what works, what doesn't work, what worked for me, what didn't work for me. And credit is power three. Watch out for credit is power three. It's in there. And like even years ago, y'all look at one of my videos from years ago. I said something about college or YouTube university or something like that. One day I'm gonna put more time into it. When you're working at home, and don't do the quit the 9 to 5 thing. You want to work and do YouTube, do remote and YouTube. YouTube is like a forum. It's a forum. If you don't have a forum and you can't say or talk to whoever you want to talk to YouTube. It can't get simpler than that. You have something you want to give back, talk to YouTube. When I say YouTube college, I'm talking about everybody else's YouTube. Because when you go to school, literally you're talking and the students are taking in what you're saying. Why? How do you know, Miss Lambert? Because I was a teacher in a school. Now I teach online in my own virtual course. I know what we are looking for. I know what they're looking for. In a school, you go by a crosswalk. You can't just teach whatever you want to teach. Everybody teaches what they want you to teach. If they have accreditation, you're going to teach what they want you to teach. It has to be in there. On YouTube, check out some of the YouTube stuff. Check out some of the channels that tell you, what YouTube is looking for, what the algorithm is looking for. I just started kind of going over what the algorithm is and what it's looking for and different things. It's kind of hard to decipher that stuff. I mean, I'm saying, I don't care how many degrees you have. When you go into a different field, like, I'm about to go into the hair thing, you know what I'm saying? That's a whole different field for me. So, you still have to learn. You have to learn. You have to pay attention. YouTube is like, you got to find your way. You got to find your way into YouTube. You're either going to be comfortable in the camera or you're not. To me, it's almost like a production. I don't know if it's like being an actor. I think it's like a production because it's like real life stuff that you're doing. I do see like people, kind of hesitate in putting stuff on it, but you don't need to put your whole life on YouTube just to get, a view or whatever. To me, it's interaction with other people. It's interaction with other people. If you got some kind of reward that comes to the end of it, who said you can't go towards that goal and work at the same time, unless it's paying you enough to do what you need to do? I'm telling you, I see these kids out here, and not just kids, it's just like older people. But I mean, I love the fact that this is a forum for, students, kids, college students who have those skills to grow a channel. Now you don't have to, spill your guts and everything or X, Y, Z. But I think that, the communication that you can give to somebody else is fine. Like my girlfriend, she does like houses, and I think she's starting to do like rebuilding houses, refurbished and stuff like that. And she put her video on Facebook. I said, hey, you need to come on over here to YouTube and put that video. You know how many people want to do that? I wanted to do that myself a while ago. This is my bestie. Me and her, like cheese and pies. Okay. We always coming up with some kind of way where we're going to make money. And it's not even the fact that we're going to make money. It's that we're going to be, known for something. We're going to use our skills to do something that makes sense. We're going to do something with our skills, and one day we're going to hit the jackpot on it. It's like something like that. And she's very, very smart. And, we just take our skills and put them, to where they need it the most. what can I do? How can I do this? You know what? I can do that. I bet you I can do that. And we can, make this into a prosperous thing right here. And, that's the reason why, people make things, they make stuff because they want to, just like they said, like the YouTube or whatever work. Don't do the work if you don't want to do it. When you do something that you don't want to do, you ain't going to keep on doing it. And like I said, there's so many YouTube channels out here where you can learn. And even here, I used to watch all the YouTube channels do here. I still do. I watch Twitter. I watch my Instagram. The guy Kurtz, I don't know how the heck you say his name, but he is a master, man. He take like older people, and he really hooked them up. And that's why I thought of the name, Family Styles 55 Plus, because it's actually Family Styles 2. You guys heard me talk about the Family Styles we had almost 30 years ago. I don't know if it's that long ago, maybe 27. My daughter was about 7 years old. Yeah, it might have been like 30 years old. I know my goddaughter was just born, and I think she's about 26 now. Okay, maybe 26 years. But it was a long time ago, and it was called Family Styles, and that's why I decided to go ahead and go back to school for it, because I want to be part doing the hair. I'm gonna be part doing the hair, and we're gonna Sapphire position coating on, and I'm still gonna be working at home. So those three things I've decided to put full force into. So we're putting full force into Sapphire Online Academy. We're putting full force in Family Styles 55 Plus, and we're putting full force in my own job that I do at home. Okay, that's what I want y'all to do. So don't go talking about you want to quit your day job. If you want to do something else, find something remote so you can do YouTube. My goddaughter, her son also has a YouTube. I can't even think of it. I gotta watch his YouTube. I'm gonna make sure I watch his YouTube today. But he also has a YouTube. And to me, that's when you got to start the Twitch and all that. You need to start when you're 8 years old, 5 years old. And I think she has him in the right place. She has him in the right place because he is a master at math. And you see him doing this little thing on YouTube. I'm definitely going to watch him. And I got to put a ring on so I know when he's doing the YouTube. And he's only 3 years old. I think he's 3. He might be 4. I don't know how old he is, but he's just a baby, maybe from 3 to 5. I know, y'all. I have a couple of nieces and nephews. I had to keep it with their ages. But he's going to blow up. I want to put him in here so y'all can see what it is. Next video, I'm gonna know what it is. I just call my niece so she can tell me what the video channel is. But again, YouTube is a place, like a forum. Facebook to me is for family. I put stuff out there for y'all on Facebook, so y'all can watch my videos. Instagram is like, people, they're interested in what you do. So they latch on, And TikTok's like a big family. I'm telling you, I love TikTok. If they take TikTok away, I don't know what I'm gonna do with the people on TikTok. And TikTok, make sure y'all come over to my YouTube. I love TikTok because TikTok is like, it's a group that interacts with you, and whether it's good or bad, and I don't think anybody has ever said anything bad to me, but a lot of stuff I put on there, y'all know I'll be cracking up. I'll put something funny on there or something like that, like the Diddy video. I thought it was funny, but I had hot oil. That was a little freaky to me, so I took the hot part out. I didn't like how that sound. Thank you guys for watching that short. And all of y'all, watch my videos. Watch my videos. Y'all got to give me a thumbs up. You got to give me a thumbs up on the video because the algorithm, they watch who's giving a thumbs up. They watch a video, but they ain't like it. If you watch my video, give me a thumbs up. See what I learned? Go in there, the YouTube school thing. When you go on your channel, there's a little thing in the corner with a YouTube on it. Click on it. They're going to teach you how you can grow your videos. They're going to teach you X, Y, Z. Today I looked on my TubeBuddy, and you know what? But I was thinking about this before. I used to pin comments, but every time I had to go back in, and I'm 9 to 5 in the facility. I totally forget what my YouTube coordination was. Today I just remembered how to pin a comment, and I remembered how to do that because I looked at the YouTube thing over there, the TubeBuddy thing, and I was like, you know what? I forgot how to pin a comment. I went on the thingy and I said, let me find it. I typed it in the search engine, but I said, you know what? Bing, came right to my head. When you put your comment up there, the 3 dots, it's going to say pin comment. And that's the comment that's going to stay in the front. So, don't sleep on YouTube. They teach you how to do the YouTube. If you do a short, make sure that you pin one of your videos underneath that short. Go to that little pencil right there, and then go over here on your side. I know how to do it. And then you're going to click that pencil that's right there, and it's going to show all your videos. Click one that you want to pin to the short. They showed me how to do that. I'm telling you, show you how to do a lot of stuff. My nephew is the one who showed me how to do a lot of the editing that I have been doing. It ain't gonna be good. Maybe by next year I'll be good with the editing. I want to get a bigger screen, so I'm probably gonna get two apples, maybe 27 inches. They ain't gotta be apples, but I've always wanted a big giant Apple screen, so I'm gonna get two of them. And a much bigger table so I can have a lot more room. But again, YouTube will show you how to do the YouTube, but it's you who have to create the videos that people are going to click on. I have yet to master that. I do not know the logic of the madness to YouTube. I'm telling you, I have no idea. I mean, you can do the ads, but you don't want to do ads and you get all these people how can you please everybody? You don't know what they want. You're gonna watch 19,000 people. Put out there what you want to put out there, and then they will subscribe to your channel definitely if they are interested in what you're showing. So that's the reason why I just pretty much mixed up my channel with some of the other education of medical billing and coding, and education of other things like the credit and stuff like that, mortgage, how to buy the house, how to do I can't tell you how to do your YouTube. I'm still learning how to do the YouTube, but I can give you insight on what I'm doing to grow my channel. And I think YouTube is like a job. YouTube is a job you ain't gotta, pay yourself to do. Just give them what they want, and you're going to get to the point where, okay, I can be a partner to YouTube. Because that's what it is. You're a partner to YouTube. Because those ads that they are showing, those ads are selling all this stuff. Those ads are selling this, selling that. So that's what, that's a part of YouTube, selling ads or selling stuff or whatever. A lot of people, look at those ads. And that's how they live. That's how they start making money. That's how and it's like you unbelievable. How can I make money doing what I like to do? How can I make money just sitting here doing a video? A lot of people sitting there trying to figure out what I'm gonna do today. Click on YouTube. You might watch something, because that's what we do. Sometimes when I come home, or I'm finished with work, what I do first thing I hit is Twitter. I hit Twitter because Twitter has a lot of political stuff in there. And the YouTube says, if you see something that's going on today and you see something that you want to put out there, that's a video. You see how like the Diddy thing is trending. Everybody's looking at the Diddy thing, XYZ. I made a video about the Diddy thing, but no graphics, none of that, fresh stuff. I did curse in the video, one curse, but you can't control it all the time. But again, watch those skits about doing the YouTube. I mean, I've watched some of them that have been YouTubing for 15 to 16 years, and they just talking about it. Do this, get that. Really? You talking to the wrong one. He must be talking to the more advanced ones over there. And look at this, that, and that, and this. We don't know nothing about all that stuff. I barely go into the what is it, the YouTube Square thing, whatever that darn thing is. And I guess they keep saying, turn that off, turn that off. Why? You keep telling us to turn this off. Why? Okay, let's turn this off. I see no difference in turning that thing off or turning that thing on. What you call it? The analytics thing. You put the app on your phone. I know some people say, put it down. You could have made a video about it. Y'all know how I am. I gotta make a video that makes sense. I can't make a video y'all just sit here watching me eating potato chips or something. Yeah, I had a big bag yesterday, and I know I'm not supposed to eat those potato chips. But again, and watch out for that video. I'm getting ready to make one. I'm gonna do it in a short on how to stop taking the shots, the GOP shots. And y'all know it's going to be funny. I can't be serious with y'all all the time. Y'all know it's going to be funny. Y'all who are taking my class, this is Miss Lambert. There's nothing fake about me. I'm telling you right now, nothing fake about me. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Those people don't like it, don't like it. Just don't hate on Miss Lambert. But take those courses. I got new courses. Today is Saturday, so y'all know a new class is starting. Y'all see me in the portal. I'm in the portal. I got a lot of emails from y'all from YouTube, which y'all need to subscribe to my channel. I like your emails, but y'all got to subscribe to my channel. I haven't figured out a way yet to upload a couple of things I want to put on YouTube, especially the credit letter. Well, 3. Watch out for 3. When I do 3, I'm gonna figure out how to do that. I think, like I said, I'm gonna do a link. I'm gonna turn the doc into a link, and then I'm gonna upload it. I gotta ask YouTube how to do that. See YouTube University. I'm telling you, I'm in college on YouTube. Y'all think I'm playing? Keep calling me Granny. Keep calling me Granny YouTube. Granny YouTube gonna pass you. Keep calling me Granny YouTube. And yeah, I'll be cracking about it. Because I told my little friend on Twitter, he do the Twitch. And I told him I'm gonna do Twitch. They're you know. And I said, all right, well, y'all help me grow my YouTube then. Y'all say I can't do Twitch. So, they help me too. I'll be talking to them, I do the thing, and that's what you got to do. I mean, if you're home in the house, make a YouTube. Just decide to make a YouTube channel. Let me tell you something. The fun thing about the YouTube, this is what I love about YouTube. When I make a short or I make a movie and I cut it and I look at it and I see that thing growing, I'll just be like, oh my God. People are actually looking at it, And then you make friends. You make friends on YouTube. You make friends on Twitter. Not live friends where you go into their house. You just, casually talking or whatever. And it is what it is, and I got how I first really got into social media was from TD Jakes. I don't know how you say his name is. One year, this was before I even made it YouTube. I wasn't like a social media type of person. Many years ago, my girlfriend, one of my besties, had one of them pages, and I'm just sitting there looking how she do that, and my sister had like thousands and thousands of like people on her page, and I'm like, how you do that? What is this thing? No, not one of my besties, she had like 1 million emails, and then she was looking through like social media stuff, and I'm gonna make me a page. I'm make me a page. I never had one. This was many years ago, and that's how, how I had started. I heard him say, you ain't got nothing to do. You got a couple of times to go on social media. And I said, people should go on, like grown people, that's for kids. And then I was like, well, hell, everybody else. And so that's when I started thinking about making stuff. It still took me a long time to actually go, well, how you do it? Well, what's the purpose? You find people that you know. Oh, all right. And then, I don't know if you could tell when I created some of my YouTube pages, but you can tell when I created some of my YouTube pages and I just go, oh, okay. But again, this is getting boring. YouTube, this is YouTube, college, YouTube University, not this. YouTube itself is a university. Learn what you need to learn, okay? I got to go out. I got to go to the post office. Learn what you need to learn, okay? Do not sleep on the video. Don't get up at 3 o'clock in the morning talking about I gotta make a video. Yeah, watch that video that I made where I can't stop creating videos. Okay, let me tell you something. I have days where I go, I need to make a video of that. What? Let me make a video with that. Let me make a video of that. They need to know that. You see what I'm saying? Do it. Make a video. You never know who's going to see it. You got to be surprised. I made a video, okay, of something. And guess what? Money came out of that. I ain't going to tell y'all what it is. Money came out of that. I ain't going to tell y'all what it is, but you never know. Make that video. If y'all still watching, I'm going to do a video on that. See how I'm going to do a video on that. You never know. And so the video going to be ching. Make a video. You never know who's watching. Ching. Now, don't steal my concept, but that's what I'm going to make. Okay, y'all. Give me a thumbs up. Watch the rest of those videos. I got to go out. I'm going to talk to y'all later. Watch those videos. Don't sleep on that puppy one. Ain't nothing fresh. Y'all know how I am. Watch that puppy run. Does the devil really wear Prada?